Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about why we should study in Cisco networking. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. The content of our video for today is brought to you by techacademy.ph. I'm a member with Sir Billy Ramirez. Now, according to him, one of the reasons why we should study Cisco networking, number one, Cisco products and technologies are solid. Cisco dominates the entire networking market because of the products and technologies that are very solid. Almost all areas, product lines, and support, they are number one. And then they are the leader, no, in networking equipment and technology worldwide. So in terms of name and the stability of the company, they are number one in providing quality networking products and services. And then number two reason, large companies, enterprises trust in new Cisco devices. Make no mistake, no, big companies like Fortune 500 companies or even 100 companies are using Cisco even though the devices and technologies are quite expensive. Because of their reliability and good customer support, these companies are not hesitant, no, to invest their hard-earned money, no, to buy different network devices like switches, routers, firewalls, access point technologies, and so forth. And then third, IT individuals who are knowledgeable in handling and managing Cisco devices are always in demand. So in terms of networking professional, most of the companies preferred network engineer that has a certification with Cisco like CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate, as the basis, no, of their hiring process to find a network engineer for their company. So that's the reason, the reasons why we should study network, uh, Cisco networking. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Please hit the like button, don't forget to share, and see you in the next video tutorial guys. Until then, this is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.